Today we're going to go over how to evaluate the sources that you have. The title is What the Crap? Think carefully about what's out there. You are going to experience many different websites, and this is one way to make sure that you get the best and most reliable website. You apply the CRAP test by doing this. You look at possible resources. You look at the currency, the relevance, the authority, and the purpose. What in the world does these words mean? It's very simple. Let's look at the first one, currency. Currency means when was the information published or posted? If you have an article with you, look at that and see. Can you locate a date for when the resource was written, created, or updated? Usually on the website, it's at the bottom of a page. Next, based on your topic, is the information current enough? If you're looking at current events, the closer to the date, to this date, is better than one, say, 10, 20 years ago. And does the date matter for your topic? It may not. Next, this was currency, which is current. If you'll notice, it has the word in it. Next, you have relevance. Does the information relate to your topic or answer your question? You don't need it if it doesn't. Is the information at the appropriate level? Is it too easy or too hard? It has to meet your needs. Who is the intended audience? Why did this author write this article? Who did he want to read it? Did he want students to read it or people who agree with him? You have to be able to determine that. Would you be comfortable using this source for your research? Next, you have authority. Notice the word author is in there. This is all about the author. Can you determine who the author or creator is? What are their credentials? That means, is this person educated? What organizations does he belong to? Is he experienced? Credentials means, is it an educator writing about something? You're going to come across blogs that are not authorities. They're just people giving an opinion. You have to be very careful whenever you're going onto the internet to look up sources. Who is the publisher or the sponsor of this work or site? What qualifies the author to write about this topic? And that goes right back to his credentials. You need to know what makes him the expert in this field. Next, you have purpose. What's the reason that this person wrote this article? Is he trying to sell me something, entertain me, inform me, or persuade me? A lot of times you have persuasion. You have to be careful that you are determine what and why this person is writing this article. For the web resources, look at the .com, .gov, the ending of it. This will tell you the purpose of it. Is this information fact, opinion, or propaganda? You may agree with the article, but do you agree with it because it's your opinion, or is it a fact? And are there ads on the website or in the resource? How do they relate to the topic being covered? Is an ad for ammunition next to an article about firearm legislation? And that's how you determine if an article is reliable or incredible.